car builder here. You know, y'all haven't seen me for a while. Just been busy, but hey, I'm back. So, y'all might be wondering after the clutch video, say, a new engine. Yeah, it's right here. It's my new engine, my Mustang. It's in. It's bolted down. So now, all I gotta do now is put the transmission in. See, look at it right there. Just gotta put it in. See, I don't have enough manpower for that. But hey, I'll still get it into you guys so y'all can run. You know, all the good stuff. But I'm just gonna update y'all on what I've been doing with this, my plans and stuff. You know, stuff that I've been going on. You know, with this and you know how to go. But I pulled in now. This right here. This right here is the old engine. You know, how to stand out last night. Happy enough I got a new engine. Because that engine was a non-PI and this right here is PI. And I was saying, more power. So, yeah. But this, it's sitting in the car. Bolted down, so I just gotta put the tranny in. You know, but yeah, and I'm gonna, you know, take the bump off because some of the paint started chipping from when we was putting the engine in and stuff. Paint started chipping, so I'm gonna have to just sand all this down, prime it again, just sand it down, just prime the bumper, and I finished fixing my fender that I got. Because it has like a little hole there, like a little dent, so I pull it out and fix it. But I'll take this out. Then over here, I gotta fix this when I chipped it when I was test driving it before all this happened. But hey, I don't mind taking the bump off and stuff to, you know, do it right. But yeah. You know, gotta throw my tires on. Y'all see that? My radio got put in, so I just gotta buy my adapter for my steering wheel, cause I have a racing steering wheel, a Grant racing steering wheel. So yeah, then. Over here is my exhaust pipes. I plan to remove this from that and just put attach. If I attach this on here like that and just put end mufflers on, I should be good. But until I get that done, I'll probably just hold it on just like that, just run it halfway for right now. But it's only gonna be like for a day or two. You know, I want to get my wheels clean, like taken off and cleaned deeply. But otherwise, it's all good. But yeah. But then, if y'all don't believe that if y'all believe that I just bought an engine just cause, I'll show y'all a clip of it just running with it knocking. Then y'all would see. But otherwise, everything else was straight. My lifters was good. My rockers was good. My head was good. Just the bottom end. But I have a plan. And I don't know if I should tell you all this plan, but hey, what I've got to lose. I plan on getting a new engine on next Mustang body, probably like a new edge, and put this or that engine, because that engine over there just need timing and whole new bottom end. So I'm thinking about rebuilding this whole engine from bottom up, and I think it's going to be very good. This I'm thinking about something with this too, but I'm not sure yet. But that for sure, the one of the Lincoln Aviator, 4 valves what I have. I'm thinking about putting on like a new edge. Cause hey, and I also have a T5 transmission. That's a T45 to one of the Fox was a T5. I thought that transmission. So hey, right now I have nothing to lose. It's worth a try. So, and y'all be here on my journey on trying to, you know, see how it's gonna come out. But otherwise, this is where I'm at right now. But yeah. But this right here is on PI. The PI, 260 horsepower. But I got some great things coming for this. If y'all have any questions or concerns about what's going on with this car or whatever, you could ask them inside the comment section below. I'll answer them. But I do have a question for y'all. Do y'all like this black? If y'all like this black color, keep it. But if not, I'll put a different color. But hey, if y'all like it, let me know in the comment section. Then I'll know whichever one get the most, whichever one I see that has the most comments, I'll stick with it. See, look at the black, look at it. I want y'all to look at it, or you all like the next color. But this black got a metallic inside it. As you can see, look, if you look inside it, it has a metallic. So I'm not sure. See, it has metallic inside it. If you could look inside it, she has metallic. But hey, whatever y'all choose, so I'll do it. Here's the clip of the here's the clip of the car engine knocking. Oh guys, I also forgot. And I know y'all guys saying, oh well, the coil is broken for this. I see it. But I will be buying some Demon racing coils, performance racing coils, whatever you call it. Racing coils from American Muscle. And I should be back, but I broke it when I was putting this in, was pulling the engine up, and it might have broke somehow, but I wasn't too sure. So if I decide to get the engine running, I'll be basically running 7 spark plugs. If I don't you see these little pieces here? If I glue these 3 pieces here and put them on here, I could possibly run off 8. But if I don't fix it, I'll just be running off 7. So I don't want that, because that don't make no sense. Because it's a V8 liter engine, not a 7. But I'll figure something out. But hey, like I was saying, if you can guess what the 2 surprises are, I will drop one of the surprises out early, or even do a giveaway with the 1 surprise. But y'all just gotta guess what it is.